Alright guys, so right here on get.io, I am sure this is not the second nor the third time I am making videos regarding get.io startup mining guys. If you have been active on this channel guys, you should be able to know whenever I make mention about this startup mining right here on get.io. Okay, so if you have been using exchange like Binance and you know what launch pool is all about, so you should be familiar with this guys. Now I can boldly tell you I have gained access to lots of coins here on get.io with the help of the startup mining. So if I come over to the assets right here, you can see these goods right here. Why I actually made some goods from the Telegram mining app. I also gained lots of goods here with the help of the startup mining, and I also have this, which is the Luna, and this is it, NSTR. I also have here ZRC and PGC. Okay, I also have here Ola, Deep, AAX, and the calf, and the last one here, which is the Sway and Gang. What if I tell you all this? I actually made all this with the help of this startup mining. So right in this video guys, I'm gonna take us through the steps on how to participate on the get.io startup mining and how to go about this. Okay, so first of all guys, your account must be verified. So if you are not using the get.io exchange guys, I would advise you to do so. So I'm gonna leave the link in the description of this video. Okay, just in case you can't access the site guys, download the app, then use my referral code. Okay, I'm gonna leave the referral code in the description of this video. Use the referral code guys, download this, then complete your KYC. Okay, and boom, you are good to go as long as your account is ready right here. Okay guys, so once you are done with the verification process guys, the next thing you need to do is to click on this human icon right here and go to startup. So guys, on the startup right here, you can see here they have lots of airdrop which you need to claim free. So you can see this on $0 free to claim. So all these you can actually claim this free. Okay, so this is not why we are here guys. My focus here is this startup mining. So if I click on the startup mining and I scroll down here, you can see there are lots of projects going on already. Okay, this is blue in progress, this is move in progress, and this is where I want to focus right here guys, the Agri project right here. So guys, if you are watching this video guys, and I will advise you to participate on this particular pool. Okay, and this is it. You can see this is the total reward which will be given out to the participants. Okay, this is it, 615,384 Agri. Okay, so here they have two different pools which you can actually participate. They have the Agri pool, the BTC pool. Okay, so just in case you have these tokens already, I mean the Agri token, and you can actually stake that to gain more of it. So if you check right here, you can see the price pool for the Agri pool here is 200,000 Agri, and the total participant for that is 1,814. So you can see the total staked. This simply means 805,675 Agri has been staked right here. So this is something a lot of persons are rushing after. Okay, this is not something you should be left behind, and this is the BTC pool also, and you can see the people participating on the BTC pool is not that much. Okay, now but I think there is a great potential on that. Yes, there is a great potential on the BTC pool. So if you have your USDT, you can actually convert that to BTC and you are good to go. So, and this is the staking period right here. This is actually gonna last for 7 days. So this is, you can see it has already started. This actually started a day ago, so it's actually gonna end in 6 days time. Now this is the end time, December 17th 2024. Okay, so that is it. Now you may be asking, how do I participate on this? So let's assume you want to participate on the BTC pool. So you click on stake now, and if you click on the stake now, here you are to input the amounts of BTC which you want to use for this. So let's say for example you have 1 BTC to stake this. So to stake on this now, that is it. You can see 0 because I have nothing. Okay, so just in case you have yours ready guys, input the amounts of BTC which you want to use for this, then click on confirm and you are good to go. Okay guys, so that is it. And for the Agri pool guys, you do the same. Okay, so I'm actually gonna buy this immediately after this video. So I will buy more of this Agri just to make sure I participate on this. I don't preach what I don't practice. Okay, anything you see me do here, I also practicalize it. Okay, that is it guys. That is it on how to participate on this startup mining guys. Don't forget, if you are not using the get.io exchange guys, you are actually missing out a lot. Okay, so make sure you download the app right now. use the promo code in the description of this video, okay, while carrying out the registration process. Okay, complete your KYC, and believe me guys, you will always have a lot to benefit from this exchange. Okay, so thank you for watching this video, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any of my valuable content like this. And also guys, for early access to update like this, consider joining my Telegram channel. Okay, I'm gonna leave the link right in the description of this video. And guys, see you in my next video.